Hey guys, this is Charles Bailey. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The first thing we're gonna do is set the oven to 350, and then we'll take our french fries. We're gonna put it in the pan. Put the fries in the pan. Lay them out so they can get cooked evenly. Put the fries in the oven. Let it cook. We're going to put the tomato sauce because you don't want your french fries all soggy. So instead of putting it in on the fries, we're going to put it on the sausage. And now I'm going to wait for the fries to be done so I can assemble everything at once. I'll put pepperoni in with the sausage and the tomato sauce so it'll have more flavor. You want to like smear it all over. Just add how many you want. You can add all of it if you want. You can add as many cheese as you want to it, if you guys like that. And if you guys like this recipe, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. I let the cheese melt along with the fries. I let it set, and now this is your final results of your pizza fries.